So we have Keith Ammons.
Yes.
And Keith, where are you from?
Minneapolis, well, Brooklyn Park, Minnesota.
Minnesota. So you had a quite a trip in. How many hours? Well, you flew, huh?
Yeah, it only took about an hour and a half
Oh,
to get
that's
here.
not too bad. That's not too bad. So you've been here since Friday.
Thursday.
Right, but
Oh,
class on Friday, right?
yes,
Yeah, you got
yes.
into town on Thursday for our private training, the Details R Certified Detailer training program. So, what did you think of Friday, the business class, Keith?
First and foremost, I'd like to give God some thanks and praise for allowing me this opportunity to come and share this journey with you guys.
Thank you.
The business side of it, it was a whole lot to take in.
Sure.
I think the main thing was learning how to create the chat GPT. I think that part of it would take my business into other
How to use it
higher.
and how to create your own
Create-
GPT for your business,
Absolutely.
which a lot of businesses don't know you can even do that, but we taught you how to do that.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So you're running a mobile detailing business, correct?
That's correct.
Full time. And what are you calling it?
Famous Mobile Detailing LLC.
Love it. Love it. So what did you think of the exterior day? Because you've never really done paint correction or ceramic coatings that much, have you?
I haven't.
So what did you think of that day?
I want to give thanks to my trainer. Chris was wonderful, taught me a lot. And as we was training, I was pointing out the things that he actually taught me that I can add to my business.
Chris is a great trainer.
Yes, the paint correction, that was something I never done before. I feel like I'm a certified professional now.
You are.
Yes, so that was a lot of knowledge and understanding.
And now you can also offer the ceramic coatings because you know how to do the paint correction and polishing now. So
Absolutely.
what did you think of the ceramic coating training?
It was I still have to get used to
Sure.
how to control the polisher, but practice make perfect. But I did learn how to apply the ceramic coating and run a polisher.
So you think you'll be able to do that now?
Oh, no doubt.
Absolutely. What about today? Today was the interior training day along with headlight restoration.
Today was a journey too that I learned a lot again. I got to thank Chris and Chase because he was a part of training me
Sure.
as well. So it was a learning process. I learned a lot from it, and I'll be able to apply that to my business.
Yeah, you did a great job.
Thank you.
You really did. And you, along with the other student, Logan, did a fabulous job on this Subaru because it came in from, right, I think it was ready for the junkyard. And now we just increased the value like about $5,000 at least. So you did a great job, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
You are now Details Czar and Jade Ceramic certified. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate you, Keith.
Yeah, thank you too, Chris.